A very good afternoon to all the higher dignitaries, guest speakers, faculty members, and dear students. I, Dr. Gunjit Kaur, on behalf of organizing committee of 1 week online series on agriculture practices and approaches begins from 15 July 2020 and ended today on 21st July 2020. First of all, my own behalf extended a very heartful vote of thanks to all the speakers for gracing their knowledge with us. Happy to announce that more than 750 participants from all over the India had registered in our event and successfully attempted all the quizzes. Moving towards a fast review of all the lectures, starting from the day one, a big thanks to Dr. Ekta Joshi for her efforts towards covering the basic fundamentals of agronomy, which are the pillars of agriculture. She also cleared the importance of organic farming. Further, we are grateful to Dr. Shravan Kumar Yadav for his explanation of importance of organic and liquid organic manure. Through his lecture, we all can easily make different types of manure at our homes. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation for Ms. Mutum for explanation on importance of drainage to increase the soil fertility. After completing the agronomy zone, we enter to the horticulture and post-harvest technology. For these disciplines, we want to extend our heartily thanks to Dr. Akshay Chittoda for giving an excellent coverage to basic practical approaches of horticulture. Further, for post-harvest technology, we want to thanks Dr. Neeraj for giving an excellent coverage on processing, value addition, and preservation of horticulture crops and their preservation. In relation to Dr. Neeraj, Dr. Bindu explained about the various packaging of food products, and I am extremely thanks to Ms. Bindu for her lecture. A big thanks to Dr. Prakash Yadav for begins the session for plant protection as he explained about the insect morphology and ecology development of insect and their behavior. A heartily thanks to our second speaker of Plant Protection Zone, Mrs. Pinky Sharma, for explaining the fundamental of plant pathology. Through her lecture, all the participants grasped the basic fundamental of plant pathology, major plant pathogen groups with basic principle of plant disease management. A warm thanks to Dr. Chhagan Jagir for his efforts towards how to speed the breeding process. Moving forward, I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Dr. Deepak Rajpurohit for explaining the molecular biology approaches to shorten the breeding cycle. Moving forward, I wish to express my gratitude to Dr. S.B.S. Pandey sir for giving an excellent coverage to agroforestry system for doubling the farmer income. Last but not the least, a hearty thanks to Dr. S.K. Acharya for explaining the rules and regulations for the READY program. Once again, a big thanks to all the brilliant speakers for sparing valuable time for DKMNU. Well, an event like this content happened not in overnight. The wheels start rolling many weeks ago. It required planning and bird eye for the details. We have been fortunate to enough be backed by the team of very motivated and dedicated committee members. For the same, I would like to express my kind, hearty, and warm thanks to the committee member, to Mr. Hutesh Sharma, Organizing Secretary, to Dr. Ratanlal Sharma, Chief Organizing Secretary, uh, Dr. Pawan Kumar Chaudhary, co-convener, to supporting to success this event. Now I would like to express my thanks to the IT department, Mr. Wasim sir and Mr. Rajkamal sir for providing time to time technical support. I also want to express my thanks to Mr. Rohit Sahu, Assistant Professor Civil Engineering, and Mr. Rahul Kumar, Assistant Professor Computer Science, for helping us to planning this event. I extend my thanks to Dr. KP Sharma sir, Chief Convener of this event, Dean SOS, for their numerous cooperation to success this event. Now, I would like to listen the words of Dr. KP Sharma sir.
Good evening to Honorable R.K. Khandal, Chief Mentor of Dr. K.N. Modi University, Honorable Dr. D.K. Modi, Chairperson, respected patron Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Trustee, Co-Patron Mr. U.N. Misra, Vice President Mr. Sandeep Gupta, Registrar, to support and bless us to organize this event. A heartily thanks to all eminent speakers who took out valuable time of their busy schedule for this 1 week online lecture series on agriculture practices and approaches. I appreciate the entire organizing committee and Dr. Vanjit for convener for taking initiative to organize this lecture series. Last but not least, to the participant for engaging in this lecture series. I am blessing you all for great success of your career. मैं सभी विद्यार्थियों को मैं तहे दिल से अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं एवं आगे उनके भविष्य में निरंतर वृद्धि हो इस तरह की कामना करता हूं। धन्यवाद।